Do you want to make money with print on demand? We'll talk about how to make money with print on demand store in this video. We'll also talk about how much money you can make and how to run a successful print on demand business. We'll also talk about how to set up your store, how to design and make products, and how, once your store is up and running, you can make thousands of dollars a month by making money online. But first, let me welcome you to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's a big moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Go ahead and slap that subscribe button and bell icon so that you miss out on none of our latest secrets. Now let's do this. Print-on-demand e-commerce businesses can be started with less than $100, but it may take longer to get going. Some people can make and sell things online for free, but it may take them a while to do so. If you put money into your business, it will start up faster, and you may be able to make not only a higher return, but also a higher return more quickly. What is print on demand? With print on demand, each copy of an item is made when it is ordered. This gets rid of the need for inventory and stock. It is a type of online shopping where people can buy items with designs printed on them. Print on demand, or POD for short, is a profitable way to run an online business because you don't have to ship anything or keep stock. Everything is instead taken care of by the printing companies. In other words, the companies that do print on demand take care of order fulfillment for you. You can use print on demand to start your own brand, make your own custom designs, and sell clothes like t-shirts and hoodies. You can also use it to sell phone cases, paintings, shower curtains, bags, coffee mugs, tote bags, canvas prints, wall art, and more. A print-on-demand store is a great way to make money on the side or as a full-time job. Print-on-demand can help you make a steady stream of passive income if you do it right. Before you start your print-on-demand business, there are many things to think about. Can you make money with print-on-demand? Yes, it is possible to make money with print-on-demand, but you will have to work hard. You'll have to do things like test products and ads to see what your audience responds to best. You'll also need to try out different prices to see what works best for each product. Some stores might not make much money at all, while others might make a lot. Even so, the profit margins in this type of business are usually not very high. Real money can be made if you do a lot of business. How much can you make with print on demand? How much money you can make with print on demand depends a lot on the products you sell, the people you want to reach, and how well you market to them. If you make one sale per day and the customer buys one t-shirt, you might make $5 to $8 per day. This adds up to about $150 to $240 per month, most of which comes from passive income. With paid advertising, you can easily make many more sales per day, which can increase your income by several times. Getting started with print on demand with Printify. To get started, you'll need to find a website that will print your designs and ship them to your customers. One great example is Printify. You can set up stores on Etsy, eBay, WooCommerce, Wix, and Shopify with Printify. Their print-on-demand service is also free, but if you pay $29 a month for premium, you can save up to 20% on all your orders. When you use Printify, you start by making a store on the platform you want to sell on. Once you've set up your store, you'll be able to choose from clothes and other items to put your designs on. They have a lot of custom products and different ways to ship them. Each printer charges a different amount to print and ship. On this screen, you can choose which printer you want to use. If your business is in the US, you might choose a printing company in the US so that your customers can get their products faster. After you choose a printer, you can move on to the screen where you can upload your design and make more changes to it, like adding color to clothing fabric if you're making clothes. When you're done, you can add a description. Then, you'll see how much it costs to make the item and be able to put it in the price you want to sell it for. After you add all of your designs, you can send them to your store. Drop shipping, billing, and everything else are all taken care of by Printify. You only need to make the design, set the price, and tell people about it. Printful is an alternative to Printify that sells the same kinds of products. How to start a print-on-demand business. Before you can start making money with a print-on-demand business, you'll need some designs. A website like Canva is a cheap and powerful way to make designs for print-on-demand. Canva has both a free version and a paid version. The paid version has tools like the background remover and the transparency tool that make it easier to make designs. It's important to make your Canva designs as high resolution as possible. For example, 4000 by 4000 is a good size for a t-shirt design. Depending on the product you're printing on, Printify will often tell you what resolution you should use. You can also hire someone to make the designs for you on a site like Fiverr. If you have some money to spend, this is an easy way to get designs that stand out. When you open your store, it's a good idea to have at least 20 different designs. This shows potential customers that you're a serious business with a lot to offer. There are a few ways to make clothes. One is coming up with catchy phrases like you've seen on other online t-shirt stores. To make a unique design that people will want to buy because they can't find it anywhere else, you can also use eye-catching images on your shirt. Once you've made a design you like, save it as a PNG with a transparent background, and get it ready for Printify, or your preferred printer. You might also want to use a site like Placelt to make a mock-up. You will need to learn SEO if you want people to visit your store. You'll also need to know how to market your designs well so you can sell them. Marketing can be done in many ways, but one of the most effective is through social media. Creating mock-ups for your designs. When making a print-on-demand product, it's usually a good idea to test it on real people first. This lets you show your products in real-life settings and is a great thing to share on social media. You can start by going to a site like Placelt. Placelt is a website that costs money to use, but it lets you put your designs on clothes and other items that people are wearing in real life. This will bring in people who might be interested in what you have to sell. If you pay for advertising, you will definitely get more results if you show a mock-up of someone wearing or holding your products, instead of just showing a plain picture of them. How to set prices for print-on-demand items. How to set prices for your t-shirts and other products is a key part of learning how to make money with print-on-demand. You might think that the only way to make sales is to have the lowest price among your competitors. This is a mistake that many people make. In reality, most of the time you can price your products somewhere in the middle of what your competitors are charging. That is, find your lowest and highest competitors and choose a middle ground between them. There have been studies done on why this works, and the main point is that when people have 3 or more price options to choose from, they often think that the cheapest product is cheap or low quality, while the most expensive product is a premium product. So many people who want a normal product will pick one with a middle price. When setting a price, you'll need to think about how much money you want to make. Remember that your price must cover all of your costs, including printing, shipping, tax if applicable, and PayPal fees, or your preferred payment method. When you add up all of these costs, you will need to make enough money to cover your overhead costs, such as the cost of keeping your business open. This could include the cost of hosting your website, subscriptions to websites that help you make the products, the cost of hiring people to help you, the cost of marketing and advertising, and so on. How to market print-on-demand products. You'll need to be on social media and do SEO on your store to get people to buy your print-on-demand shirts or other products. One of the best ways to get your products known is through social media. You can use it to show potential customers pictures and videos, show off new designs, build a group of people who like your work, and more. Some of the best places to start with social media are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Even with all of these things in mind, the most important thing is to get your name out there on social media. You'll need to find ways to do this that don't feel forced or pushy. You'll also want to make your store easy for people to find with search engines. To do this, make sure that the alt tag on each of your images has the title of your product and a description that includes keywords that your customers may be looking for. A simple keyword research tool like KeySearch will help you find the search terms that people are typing into Google to find your business. When selling your products, you should tell customers how they will feel when they have your print-on-demand items. What good will it do for them? It's important to list both the features and the benefits. When you buy ads on Facebook or other sites, it's important to know who your target audience is, so you can reach them specifically. For example, you might have a cute coffee-themed t-shirt and decide to market it to people between the ages of 18 and 40 who like coffee and like to shop. This is just an example though, and your audience may be very different. Providing excellent customer service in a print-on-demand store. Keep in mind that print-on-demand is an online business, so you will sometimes need to help customers who have questions or want a refund or an exchange. Make sure you have a separate email address for questions and that you always answer them in a professional way as soon as you can. If you don't like working directly with customers, you might want to hire a virtual assistant to check your emails once or twice a day and answer them. Where to sell your products. You can sell your goods in a number of places, such as Shopify. For a low monthly fee, you can set up a whole store on Shopify. This is one of the best ways to open a print-on-demand store. Etsy, Amazon, eBay, your own site for print-on-demand. Third-party sites take a cut of what you make, but they give you a lot more exposure. You'll have a lot of competition, but the extra traffic is often worth it. If you make your own website, you'll have more control over how you sell your products, but it will usually take a lot longer for people to find you. It's a great idea to do both at the same time. As you gain popularity, you can start sending traffic to your own website only if you want to. This way, third-party websites won't be able to take a cut of your earnings. What are top print-on-demand sites? Some of the best print-on-demand sites where you can start an online store for your customers are Printify, Printful, T-Launch, Custom Cat, Lulu Express. There are more well-known print-on-demand sites, but these are a good start. In this video, we talked about how you can use print-on-demand to make money and how to run a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand is a great way to start making money online, as you can see. If you decide to use print on demand as a business model, spend some time getting to know your printers and how they work. You might also want to get advice and help from a professional. You want your first few sales to go well because they will set the tone for the rest of your business. Over time, a strong foundation will cut down on customer service problems and lead to more repeat orders from happy customers. For more cool cash cow secrets on making money online, click the video on the screen now, or click the links in the descriptions below.